Now we are plan the dihybrid test cross. We know that dihybrid means two characters be involved in the crossing. Test cross means will crossed with it will crossed with this homozygous wrinkled. Okay, homozygous parent. Whenever it is monohybrid or dihybrid. Okay, so the dihybrid cross, the F1 generation is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So this is the heterozygous one. So it will cross with the recessive parent. Because of this, this is the test cross, dihybrid test cross only we will take for this two characters. So that phenotypic ratio is 1:1:1:1. So 25% of the phenotypic ratio is here. So next we discussed about this gene interaction, extension of the Mendelian genetics. So we have to discuss monohybrid, dihybrid and trihybrid, everything we will discuss. So only this is based on this character, single character, two characters and three characters. So only based on different phenotypes are here. But some of the interactions here in the genes, it will find out of this pattern. Yeah, pattern only we will find out. So this is experiments only find out of this and analyze of the experiments. So possible genes between the genes, possible interactions are here. That interactions introduced by this W. Batson. W. Batson. So the W. Batson hypothesis, it will be divided into two: introgenic interactions and intergenic interactions. Introgenic interactions. Introgenic interaction means takes place between the alleles of same gene, between the alleles of same gene. That is the introgenic interactions. So we have to discuss about this incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles, pleiotropic genes. So we discussed one by one. Incomplete dominance, no blending of genes. No blending of genes. Already here this words, no blending of genes. So the monohybrid cross segregation, law of segregation. So we will hear. Okay. So that 4 o'clock plant only. 4 o'clock plant means 4 மணிக்கு ஒரு பூ பூக்கும் இல்லையா அது. So that is a botanical name is Mirabilis jalaba. It will be crossed with this pure breeding R1. Yeah. So this is that red color flower. This is the red color flower. Because of this is the red color pigment is present here. So next we discussed about this one recessive parent is R2. It is also this homozygous one, but it is that white flower because it is that red is the red color, so it presents a white color. Okay, so that is the interaction of these two genes. So what will happen? R1, R2. This is at the time of the gamete formation meiosis takes place. R1, R2. So R1, R2, it is that interact between for this pink color in between for the color pink color it will be produced. What happened? The time of this meiosis. So in the gametes is from this one homozygous dominant, other one is the homozygous dominant. What will happen? The time of the gamete formation, so it gives the gametes from this that one parent, so dominant parent, and also it will give the recessive parent. It gives that. So the intermediate form of the spin color is formed. So one allele is not completely dominant to the other allele. That is a incomplete dominance. One allele means R1 is completely dominant to this R2. இப்போ கம்ப்ளீட்டாக நான் டாமினேட் பண்ணிருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நமக்கு என்ன வந்திருக்கும்? R1 வந்திருக்கும். கம்ப்ளீட்டாக டாமினேட் பண்ணாதனால R2 வந்திருக்கு. Okay, so it is called this incomplete dominance. Such allelic interaction is known as incomplete dominance. F1 generation produce the intermediate phenotype pink color found. So first red white. அப்போ என்ன கலர் வந்திருக்கணும்? phenotypeல F1 generationல one white color வந்திருக்கணும். சாரி ரெட் கலர் வந்திருக்கணும். ரெட் கலர் வராமல் intermediate color whiteம் அல்ல ரெட்டும் அல்ல. So why is a pink color is produced? Why this pink color is produced? So that is that F2 phenotypic ratio is identical 1:2:1, but it gives this genotypic ratio of this phenotypic ratio of this monohybrid cross. It gives kadachirichu 1:2:1, but it will be concluded remaining disintegrate and unaltered proves the Mendel's law of segregation. So the phenotypic ratio or genotypic ratio are same. No blending of genes. No blending of genes. So R1 and R2 segregated recombinant produce red, black, pink and white. 1:2:1. So R1 allele is only responsible for the red color and R2 allele only responsible for this white color. So but it is R1 R2 is needed for producing the red flowers. Only 2 flowers இருக்கிறதுனால கண்டிப்பா என்னதான் வந்திருக்கணும் red color flowers. R2 இருக்கிறதுனால it will be produced by flowers. But if the blending is takes place, if the blending had takes place, the original pure traits would not be appear. ஸோ அதனால் என்ன செய்யலை blending நடந்ததுனால மறுபடியும் என்ன செய்யலை வரல. So it is very clear Mendel's particulate inheritance takes place in this clause confirmed reappearance of original phenotype in F2 generation. So this is red color flower, white color flower and pink color. It will be self and is the 1:2:1 it will be produced. Okay. So next one it is just knowing about this R1 R2 50% is the functional units are here and remaining 50 pink is having for that. Okay, so next one is the Hoare dominance. Hoare dominance is a 1:1 ratio. This pattern is occurs. Okay, we have to find out of this incomplete dominance. It is a phenomenon where none of this to see that this it is a phenomenon where none of the two Mendelian factors, alleles or genes, dominate over the other. Genotypic and phenotypic ratio are same in the F2 generation 1:2:1. Examples: Mirabilis jalaba 4 o'clock plant. So next one it is Hoare dominance. Codominance. This pattern occurs due to the simultaneously expression of both alleles in the heterozygous. Both alleles, capital T as a small t, capital T or small t. Capital T, small t. So this phenomenon in which two alleles both expressed in heterozygous individuals is known as Hoare dominance. So for example, red and white flowers in Himalaya and sickle cell in hemoglobin. ABO blood group system in human beings. Human beings IA, IB. So I is a codominant, I is the dominant. Mendel's law of segregation is here. So the law of codominance demonstrates the plant's help in the electrophoresis. How to find out of this electrophoresis and chromatography? You find out of this that which is the dominant independent expression of these two alleles. So both parents go. Both parents have different banding patterns are here. So one of this electrophoresis is and one missions are here. So you have to find out of this some electrophoresis. At the time of this, during this, you have to enter into the DNA. The DNA it can be fluorescent, that's a light. Okay, so it will be attached of this another pattern. So the hybrids adhere banding pattern. This is the banding pattern was noticed. So hybrid shows the presence of both the type of proteins is similar to their parents. So next one is a heterozygous genotype gives rise to phenotype distinctly different from either of the homozygous genotypes. அதில் என்ன வந்துச்சு phenotype genotype ரெண்டும் ஒன்று போல் வந்துச்சு. So but heterozygous parent if it will be taken genotype and phenotype it is different either of the homozygous genotypes. So Hoare dominance it is equal to independent expression of two alleles of a trait when they are present together in an individual. When they are present together in the individual, the phenotype of heterozygous individual are different from either of homozygous. Examples: ABO blood group C square. Okay. So next one it is lethal genes. Lethal genes, an allele which has potential to cause the death of an organism is called lethal allele. So an allele which has potential to cause the death of organism. So the organism it will be die. So PB Pure reported the lethal in Snapdragon. Snapdragon it will be lethal gene, it will be introduced in the Snapdragon. For example, recessive lethality, it is a very important one. Recessive lethality. So you see that green plants with chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is already having for the green plants. Yellow is green plants with carotenoids are referred to as pale green, golden or area. White plants without any chlorophyll. So the genotype of homozygous green plants is capital C, and genotype of homozygous white plants is small c. Avra plants genotype is capital C, small c, because they are heterozygous. They are heterozygous plant because it is that comes from this white flowers as well as green flowers. So the area of plants is crossed. F1 progeny identical. Phenotypic and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. 1 green, 2 area and 1 white. So because of the white flowers, it is not having the chlorophyll. It's not survived. So it will be modified. Genotypic ratio. See that. Lethal genes classing. So the term lethal is applied to those changes in the genome of an organism which produce the effect severe enough to cause the death. So what is the meaning? This genes kill the organism when they are able to express the effect. So this genes kill the organism when they are able to express the effect. Dominant or homozygous recessive. So the example is sickle cell anemia, fur color in mice. E.B. Bauer observed the lethal genes in Snapdragon. So it is applied in genome of an organism which produces that effect severe enough. So எப்போ வந்து severe effect பண்ணுதோ அப்போ என்ன செஞ்சிரும் அப்படின்னா that organism it will be dying. So lethality condition. Why it is a lethality condition it is occurs? So prematurely. We already kept in this in the alleles. So dominant fully recessive lethal alleles with carrier individuals only. Carrier individuals and is called this homozygous condition, carrier of the gene. So next one is a pleiotropy. Pleiotropy. A single gene affects a multiple traits. Pleiotropy, the single gene affects a multiple traits. The first getting a single gene, only one gene, it will be affect all the genes. So it particularly all the genes it will be affected, automatically the phenotype it will be changed. So the number of characters and such genes it is called as pleiotrophic genes. So Mendel noticed while performing this experiment of with pure flowers, purple flowers, brown seeds and dark spot. Axils of the leaves were crossed. Axils it will be taken of the position of the flower. So it is axils of the leaves and 3 traits of the flower color it will be incarnate for the single unit. This is what happened. 3 traits were controlled by single gene. 3 traits. What are the traits? So no spot on the axils. இதுமே இருக்காம பண்றது. Light colored seeds, white flowers. White flowers, light colored seeds, no spot on the axils. So next one axil of the leaves. Next 3 traits: color, seed color, leaf axil spot. Color, seed color, leaf axil part. Flower color, seed color, leaf axil. 3 characters it will be controlled by this only one gene. Yeah, with the dominant and recessive alleles. The best example is sickle cell anemia. So pleiotropy, these genes have multiple effects because they influence a number of traits simultaneously. Okay, thank you students.